Teespring versus Spreadshirt, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go through a comprehensive compare and contrast between Teespring and Spreadshirt, which print-on-demand service is better for you and your needs. And we are going to jumpstart this by going with Teespring first. So the pros and cons of Teespring are as follows. But before that, we're going to go over customer ratings. So as you can see here, expert score 9.2 out of 10 for Teespring. So no cost, no hassle, no risk. Unlock the power of hassle-free e-commerce with Teespring, where you can go from design to dollars without breaking a sweat. So as you can see, your customer support is 8.9 out of 10. Value for money is 9.4 out of 10. Ease of use is 9.2 out of 10. And features is 9.3 out of 10. And again, garnering 9.2 out of 10 overall rating. When it comes to the pros and cons, the pros for Teespring are specialized integrations, wide range of customizable products, multi-channel sales, risk-free and cost-effective, and built-in marketing tools. The cons, however, are as follows: competitive market, limited design customization, and basic storefront. When it comes to the specific specifications of Teespring, the features are as follows: analytics and reports, boosted networks, customizable products, email marketing, integrations, multi-channel sales and marketing, retargeting marketing, and sales tracking. Teespring is best suited for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. And the website language is in English. Website URL is teespring.com. Live chat is not available. Company is located in the United States, and the company is founded back in 2011. When it comes to the pricing of Teespring, the price range are as follows. Price range is free. Price types are free. Free plan is available. Free trial is not available. Money back guarantee is not available. And we will have the pricing links below. As you can see here, we're going to have a roll for Teespring pricing plans, and we are going to leave you with this for a minute. All right, when it comes to free use, profit margin, Teespring is 100% free to use. You can set the selling price to your products and keep 100% of the profit. For instance, if the base cost of a t-shirt is $10 and sell it for $24, you keep $14 profit. Factors affecting base cost are design complexity and pricing discount. When it comes to product pricing, one-sided prints, the platform provides a preview of product pricing when adding double-sided prints. Boosted network, on the other hand, our items sold via the boosted network are not eligible for pricing discounts. Monthly pricing discount, all sales count. All of your item sales, including those through the boosted network counts towards your monthly pricing discount. However, not all items receive the discount. When it comes to the boosted network is an automated feature that lists your Teespring products on multiple third-party online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. An algorithm selects products that meet specific criteria like good trust scores and past sales performance. This increases the visibility of your products without requiring you to manually list them on multiple platforms. So this is pretty much a very easy and a very effective and useful tool that would benefit you to save time and efficiency. Specialty items. In addition to standards products, Teespring offers specialty items like beanies, keychains, and even custom plush dolls. These unique items allow you to offer a more diverse range of products, making your store more appealing to different types of customer segments. All right, now we go to Spreadsheet. So the pros and cons of Spreadsheet are as follows. The pros are you can create your own store for free. There are over 250 POD products that you can choose from. The designs editor is easy to use. The Spreadshirt marketplace is available to sell on if you would prefer to try and tap into an existing audience. The cons, however, if you sell on the Spreadshirt marketplace, you can only receive 20% of the sales price. So again, your profit is only 20% per product. You can only call the customer service from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or email. Aim to respond within 24 hours, which is, sometimes people require a reply ASAP. So 24 hours and a bit longer. And as of March 2023, the site has a 51.83 bounce rate. Spreadshirt has over 200 print-on-demand products on its roster that includes t-shirt and tank tops, hoodies, long-sleeve shirts, mugs, phone and tablet casings, caps and hats, children's and infants clothing, and aprons. Another feature of 3, 2, 1. Another feature of Spreadshirt is SPOD, or Sell Print on Demand. This is the best option if you already have an online store and want to integrate Spreadshirt POD products into your existing catalog. So SPOD integrates with popular e-commerce platforms that includes Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, Squarespace, and OrderDesk. SPOD handles everything from printing and fulfillment to shipping and customer service. Designers can customize their designs on over 250 products, including shirts, hoodies, socks, caps, hats, umbrellas, and home and living items. When it comes to shipping and fulfillment for Spreadshirt, when shipping Spreadshirt products, you can choose one of the 3 delivery methods. First one of which is standard, which is 17 to 14 days without product tracking. Second is premium, 7 to 14 days. It's the same with product tracking and loss insurance. The third and final is express, 3 to 7 days with guaranteed delivery. Take note that shipping times vary based on the country you're shipping to and don't apply to special finishing techniques that require more production time. For example, screen printing or embroidery, which takes a bit more time to actually, produce and ship. All right, before you go, I'm going to show you samples of a Spreadshirt t-shirt. As you can see right here, this is a Spreadshirt sample that's printed. And this is a Teespring printed shirt in real time. As you can see, that those are the photos. And yeah, so that you can see both, products of both print-on-demand service providers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.